Today's recipe is pumpkin cheesecake. All right, we're gonna make our crust. So we have our graham cracker crumbs, our sugar, our melted butter, and we're going to just stir that all together to combine this. Now you can use ginger snap cookies and crumble those up. That would make a really nice substitution for the crust. Or you could use chocolate Oreo crumbs. Many variations. Now once this is combined, we're going to press this into a springform pan. I've lined my pan with some parchment paper, which just makes it easier to come out of the pan when it's ready to be served. Press this down to make an even crust. You could also use a ready-made crust that you can buy in the store. That would work as well. Once we have this pressed into the pan, we're going to place this in the refrigerator and we're going to chill it. All right, now we're going to start on our cheesecake filling. So we'll get a large bowl. And we're going to add 2 packages of cream cheese that has been softened at room temperature, and we're going to beat this up until it's smooth. This takes probably around 2 to 3 minutes. You could do this in a stand mixer as well. Now once this is all smooth and creamy, we are going to add our other ingredients. We're going to add our pumpkin pie spice, some vanilla, some powdered sugar, some cinnamon, a little bit of salt, and our pumpkin puree. Now make sure if you're buying this in the store that you buy the pumpkin puree and not the pumpkin pie filling, because that has different ingredients inside. Now we're just going to combine all this until it's all incorporated and nice and smooth. Scrape down the edges of your bowl. And then we're going to take our whipped cream that has already been whipped. And we're going to fold this into our pumpkin filling. Once this is all incorporated, we're going to pull out our crust from the refrigerator, and then we're going to add our filling. And we're going to smooth it down to make it even. Using our spatula, we'll just smooth it all around. You could tap the pan to make sure that it's all even. Then this will go into the refrigerator, and you want it to chill for at least 2 hours, but longer is better, and you can garnish this with whipped cream, cookies, any way that you like. Enjoy. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.